Hello, Brian Herbstritt here with Fidelitech Solutions, your local trusted IT services and cybersecurity partner. Today's Tech Tips Tuesday tip of the day is the shocking truth about bank fraud. Did you know your business bank account doesn't have the same protections as a personal bank account when it comes to fraud? If a hacker takes money from your business account, the bank is not responsible for replacing it. Don't believe me? Go ask your bank what their policy is on refunding money stolen from your account. Many people erroneously believe the FDIC protects you from fraud. It does not. It protects you from bank insolvency. Here are 3 things you should do. Tip 1. Set up two-factor authentication to log into your bank account. Tip 2. Get a crime policy that will cover stolen funds from a cyber attack, fraud, or other phishing attack. Tip 3. Require your bank to get verbal confirmation from you to wire funds and set up alerts for large checks and debits. If you have any questions about cybersecurity or some other IT-related issues for your business, go to www.fidelitech.net/discovery call to book a 10-minute call. For a free security assessment, schedule an appointment at fidelitech.net/semperarmor.